Hey guys, welcome to this free course. Inside this free course, we will going to teach you how you can create tools using ChatGPT and WordPress. Okay, so here you can see this is my WordPress website and I have created this tool. Okay, which is totally functional. You just have to put your year, okay, which year you are born, your month, date, and just click on calculate. It will going to calculate the age for you. So I have created this using ChatGPT. Okay, so inside this course, if you want to learn this new skill, how you can create online tools using ChatGPT and WordPress, then this course is for you. So basically inside this course, we will going to teach you how you can first of all set up your WordPress website, and after you will going to set up your WordPress website, how we can create important codes, what are the important prompts which you have to put inside ChatGPT, and important themes and plugins, okay, that will going to help us to create this type of tools. So step by step we have guide everything inside this course. So if you are interested to learn how to build online tools with ChatGPT and WordPress, so I welcome you guys to the free course. Watch this free course from starting to end. It will really going to help you. Okay, so enjoy the course. So now guys, the very first requirement for this course will be to install WordPress. Okay, so we will not going to go with the WordPress because it's just costs so much money. We will going to install WordPress inside our own server. So I will going to guide you step by step. So in the next section, you will basically going to set up your WordPress, and inside WordPress we will going to create tools using ChatGPT. Okay, now my friends, in simple, if I just tell you what is WordPress, so basically WordPress helps you to build website. Even you can just do a lot many things. You can just build applications with WordPress, like we are creating tools website, right? So similarly, it's a complete solution to build and grow your website. Okay, awesome. And you can just create any sort of website. For example, if you just go and open new tab and just search for Cuckoo courses, click on enter button, and then you will see this website courses.com. Click on this website, and from this website, my friends, you guys just need to click on this courses tab. I'm just trying to tell you that what are the different things. Okay, if you will just search for WordPress, and you will see using WordPress we can just do any sort of things. You can see here, you can just you can just build your own ChatGPT with WordPress. You can do web designing with WordPress. You can create job search portal with WordPress. You can create money making blogging website with ChatGPT and WordPress. You can even build some fitness related website. You can build pharmacy e-commerce website, right? And if you will just go to the next page, so the limits are endless. Okay, like you can create your agency website with WordPress. You can create affiliate system with WordPress. You can create Facebook like website with WordPress. You can create portfolio website with WordPress, affiliate website with WordPress, drop shipping website with WordPress, right? And you can create e-commerce website with WordPress. You can create online course website with WordPress. So the idea is very simple. WordPress is basically a complete solution for your website to grow and build your website. Okay, so in the next section we will basically going to teach you how you can set up WordPress. If you already have WordPress website, then you guys do not have to worry about anything. But in case if you don't have any WordPress website, so we will going to teach you how you can set up WordPress website. Okay, so to set up WordPress website you will require two things, that is domain and web hosting. Okay, and when you will going to get domain and web hosting, so you will automatically going to install WordPress. So everything is stored in the next section. Just check out the next section and you will be able to set up WordPress. So now guys, we will going to talk about the ChatGPT requirement. Okay, so in case if you don't know what is ChatGPT and how it works, right? So in that particular scenario, we have created a separate free course for you. So it's just a requirement, not 100% requirement to fulfill, but still if you can watch this free course, it will be great, because in that free course we have basically taught a lot of things. So just search for courses.com, okay, and just visit to our website, and from the bottom just wait for the website to get open. Okay, awesome. And after you will do this, just scroll at the very bottom, and from here my friends, you guys will going to see we have this option of a free courses. Click on that, and from here you just need to search for prompt. Just go here and search for prompt, click on enter button, and then you guys will going to see this prompt engineering masterclass plus 5 practical examples. So if you will going to open this course, it's totally free for you. You do not require to do any kind of sign up or anything. Okay, so just go ahead and click on this start learning button. So this course is basically of 1 hour course, which I just want you guys to go ahead and learn it. Okay, so it's basically in a very simple language. Inside this course we have taught you how you can use ChatGPT for prompt engineering. Okay, so you can see prompt engineering guide with ChatGPT with 5 practical real life examples. Okay, so just go ahead, click on this play button, and hey guys, welcome to this prompt, and just go ahead and watch this complete course from starting to end, right? So this will basically going to help you to get idea how to write prompts in ChatGPT and how it works, right? So that's it, and this is what I just want to tell you for this requirement. Okay, so before you just proceed further to watch this course, just recommended to watch this free course. Okay, just for an extra level of knowledge, and you will become more friendly with ChatGPT. Okay. Hey guys, so let's start this course. So first of all, I will going to teach you what is the domain name. So we will also going to set up the domain name as well, okay, using Namecheap. Now what is this and all, we will going to explain you and also teach you how to set up. But let's first discuss what is domain name. So guys, domain name is basically the address of your website. So for example, like any place has some address, right? Like for example, I want to, let's say, visit to your house. So your house will also going to have address, right? So for example, if I just go here and let's say this is your house, right? And to visit your house, I need one address. Awesome, right? I need one address of your house. So when I will going to have address of your house, so I can just come straight to your house using your address. So similarly, to visit any website, you require domain name. Like if I want to visit to your home, I need your home address, right? So similarly, to visit any website, you need domain address. Now for example, if I want to visit Kuku Courses website, so I will just type kukucourses.com, and when I will going to open it, I will go to the Kuku Courses website. Awesome, simple and easy. Similarly, let's say if I want to visit Apple's website, so I will going to type apple.com, click on enter button, and you will go to the Apple's website. Simple and easy, right? So you can see to access any website, you require domain name. Like apple.com is domain name, kukucourses.com is domain name, right? So similarly, every website has domain name. So to visit any website, you require the domain address. You have to purchase one domain address, right? And there are many companies who will going to help you to purchase domain name. In our case, we will going to use Namecheap because it's very simple and easy to simple and easy, by the way, and it's very affordable too, right? So hope you guys have somehow understood the concept of domain name. So make sure that whenever you get your domain name, it should be related to, let's say you can just keep the domain name of your personal name, or try to keep domain name short and simple. Okay, short and simple, and make sure that that domain name which you are purchasing, it should be related to the product or service you are purchasing. For example, in my case, I am purchasing one domain name that is related to courses. I will going to create one courses website. So I will going to purchase kukucourses.in or any such thing related to this. So my website is related to courses, so I have uh, uh, chosen domain that has some courses related thing. Or maybe let's say you have some health related business, so let's say you can choose health king, maybe healthking.com. Okay, healthking.com maybe, or healthking.io. so there are many things, but make sure you can create or buy domain name on your name. Maybe your name is, let's say, John Cena, so you can just buy domain name that is related to your name. Or some people buy the domain name according to their business, but make sure that domain name should be short and simple, right? So hope you guys have understood the concept of domain name. Now guys, I will going to teach you how you can set up the Namecheap account, or in a simple way how you can buy domain name with Namecheap. Okay, so it's very simple and easy. You just need to open new tab on your browser and just write this my dash link.in/Namecheap. Okay, so make sure you just write this everything in small. I will also going to attach the link below, okay, in this video description and resources, so you can just simply click on that link. Okay, you will directly come to the website. Okay, so you just have to type this everything in small and click on the enter button, and you will go to the Namecheap's website according to your country. Okay, so just wait for the few seconds and you will be redirected to the Namecheap's website. You can see that we are now in the Namecheap's website. So basically, as I have told you, that whenever you create a domain name, okay, so try to make it short. Okay, don't buy domain name which is very much complex like this, which no one will going to remember, right? It's very weird, right? So make sure you do not buy this type of domain. And the second thing is that make it short and simple. Okay, make it meaningful. Or you can also buy on your name as well. For example, my name is Kunal Onhare, so I can buy one domain name on my name. Okay, or you can also purchase it for your business. So maybe whatever product and services you are whatever product and services you are selling, so according to that you can go and take domain name. For example, if your business is, let's say, related to health, so I can say health related domain, let's say Health King. Click on the search button and let's see if we can get some domain related or not. Okay, so here you can see that we are getting lots of things like healthking.app, healthking.dev, healthking.io, health. Okay, there are lots of domain name related to this, right? So in my case, I will go with courses. Okay, dot, let's say, in. Okay, see, courses.com is taken. Okay, so I cannot do anything with that, because you can see this is the website of courses.com. It's already taken and you can see a complete live website here. So I will going to go with courses.in and click on enter, and let's see if we can get the courses.in domain name. Okay, so you can see it's available. So similarly, you have to search for domains which are available, and the available domain you can buy. Okay, so you can see lot many domains, and in front of that domain name you will always going to see some price, right? So according to domain name which you can afford, according to your financial condition, you can take the domain name, right? So that's it. Make sure you just select and add to cart. When you will select your domain name, I will simply click on add to cart button, and then you will see the option called as checkout here, right? So just click on the checkout button, and you can also select for how many years you want to purchase. By the way, you can select the currency. Right now it's in US dollars, but in my case I will just purchase it for, let's say, 3 years. Awesome. So more longer period you will going to purchase your domain name for, so less affordable it will be. Okay, so for example, if I just take with 1 year, so you can say it will approx $8, right? So if you will double it, so it will be, you can see 15.9. Still it will be little bit affordable. If you see, if you will renew it 1 year, that is $7.98. okay, so if I just show you the concept, if you just go to calculator, so right now we are purchasing it for $7.98. so 7.98. And if you will just purchase it for 1 year, so it will cost you this much. And if you just purchase for next year, so again you have to pay this much amount, or let's say even high, let's say $8. So it will going to cost you approx 15.98 itself, right? But here it will also going to include tax as well. You also have to pay tax as well. But if you just go with the 2 years, so it will be 15.96. so you can see it will be affordable, okay, as compared to the one year you pay. So make sure the more longer you will choose, the better it will be. Okay, so I will go ahead with 15 for 3 years. This much is the amount. I will just go ahead and I will confirm the order. And if you have some other currency to choose, for example, I want to see it in Indian currency, so it will be approx this much. Awesome, right? So let me just see how much it will going to cost me for the 4 years. Okay, so in the 4 years this will be this much, but let's just go ahead with 3 years only. Okay, so I will simply go ahead and confirm order, but it's your case. If you want to go with 1 year, 2 year, 3 years, it's totally up to you. Awesome, right? Then just click on the confirm order button. Awesome. Now if you already have your account, so you can just log in. But if you are totally new, so you can just put all your details, okay, like username, password. Just confirm password, set your first name, last name, put your correct email ID, which is very much important, and make sure you just choose or set your username. Okay, and then click on create account and continue button. Okay guys, you can see that I have set the username, I've set the password, I've again set my password, I've set my first name, last name, and I put my email address. You can just untick it if you want, and just click on create account and continue button, right? So after you will going to do this, you can just simply save it if you want to, right? And then just set your all the details, like your first name, last name, your address, cities, state, and all these details. Okay, here phone number. So fax number is not necessary, okay, but just put all these details here. Okay, so you can see I have set the first name, last name, and make sure you untick it if you want to. Okay, which is this option. You can just untick it, and rest just put all your details like phone number, email, and all. And after you will do this, just click on this continue and then it will take you here. Okay, so make sure you can just select this as well, then just click on this continue button. So then my friends, you will see the payment method. You can just choose if you want to pay with the card payment. So you can say I put all the card details, my card number, card everything, right? You can put the card details. You can even choose PayPal and account funds as well. But after you just do it, just click on this continue button. After you will put all your payment details and then click on continue button. Okay, just after you do this, just click on this pay now button and make payment. Okay, so you can see that you have successfully purchased your domain name. Okay, and on your email you will see the notification that you have purchased it successfully. Okay, so whatever email you have used, on that email you will see this notification that you have purchased successfully. And now you can manage your domain from here, or if you want to see this option again, so again just go to that link my-link.in/namegym, and after you will come here on this website. So it will be already account created, or you can just log in, but in our case we have just now purchased, so you can see the account, and from here you will see this domain list option. So just click on that. So whatever domain name you have purchased, so that will be visible here. You can see in my case I've purchased this in front of you guys, so this is available here. Now if you want to manage it, so you can just simply click on this manage button to manage it. Maybe if you want to connect it, okay, so connect with your web hosting. Now what is that and all thing we will going to discuss later, but you can just simply click on this manage button from here, and from this option of a name servers you can just click on custom and paste the name servers of your web hosting from here. But let's not discuss that, but I have taught you till now how you can purchase and set up your domain name. Okay, and whatever domain name you will going to purchase, it will all going to pop up here. Okay guys, now we will going to talk about what is web hosting in a very simple way. Okay, so it's a very simple meaning. So basically web hostings are the storage space for your website, or storage space of your website. Okay, for example, whatever website you say, for example, if you just say kukucourses.com, so they have lots of text, they have some images. You can see this is the image. So all these text, images and everything is stored inside storage. Okay, and the storage is provided by web hosting. So there are many web hosting companies like Hostinger, and there are plenty more companies that provide you web hosting where you can store all the data of your website. Okay, so we will going to teach you how you can set up it, but let's first understand the web hosting concept. So I've already explained you. Similarly, if you just go to apples.com website, so you will see they will going to use lot many images on their website and all. So all these things, my friend, are stored inside web hosting, basically the storage where Apple is storing all this data, right? So idea is somehow that simple and easy, my friends. So hope you guys have understood the concept of what is web hosting. So web hosting means it's simply storage space for your website. Okay, and now we will going to teach you how you can set up that with Hostinger. Okay, so let's see how you can set up web hosting, my friends. Okay, so we will going to use Hostinger. So you can just simply open one new tab, and here you can just type Hostinger, Hostinger, hostinger.com/Bing commerce. Okay, so I have displayed the link in the screen. You can type that, everything in small, and make sure everything is small. Click on enter button, and I have also provided the link below in the video description or in the video resources. So after you will click that, so according to your country, Hostinger will take you to your country specific website. Okay, so for example, I am in a website for example, I'm in India, so you can see it has taken me to the India's website. Or if you use the same link, that is hostinger.com slash Bing Commerce, or let's say you open this link from USA, so it will take you to the USA website. So that's why make sure just use this URL, it will take you exactly to your country's website. And also from here, you can see from here you can even select two different countries in United States as well. Okay, so if you will choose United States, so it will show you in the terms of dollars as well, right? So here you can see it will show you in the terms of dollars, but I'm from India, so I will going to choose India English version. And do not worry, the procedures will be same for all the countries. Okay, so from here, my friends, you can just go ahead and choose, let's say, hosting. You can choose, let's say, web hosting, right? So currently they are offering some discounts and all, we do not want that. So from here you can just choose the plan. So you can see more expensive plan you will going to take, more features you will going to get. So for example, single plan only offers you to build one website, and similarly premium plan offers you to build 100 website, and similarly this will keep on to go. And you can see own single, you will not going to get free domain, but in multiple plans you will going to get free domain. So whatever, you can see the complete list of different features, you can just toggle here to learn what that means is. But right now we do not have to go with that, with this particular course. By the way, let's make it very simple and easy, right? So in our case, we will going to use this single plan. If you want to go with the bigger plan, you can of course choose it, totally up to you, and I recommend you guys to just go ahead. But many people are very much new. Okay, so let's go ahead with the single plan. So let's click on this add to cart button. And after you do this, my friends, you guys have to choose for how many duration you want. So you can see the longer duration you will going to save, more longer duration you will going to choose, so more amount you can save. So I will just go ahead with the 12 months, but I recommend you guys to go with at least 24 or 48 months. Okay, so that's it. So I will choose 12 months, and now it will tell me to log in. So if you already have account, so you can log in. So in my case, I will going to create my account here. So I will just going to write my email address here. Awesome, right? So this is my email address. You also have to put your email address correctly, and then my friends, you guys have to choose your password. Okay, so in my case, I will going to choose the password. So awesome, I have chosen the password. And after you do this, you can see according to your country you will going to get multiple options, but the main thing is that in the have a coupon code, you can use the coupon code, so you will going to get some extra discount. So you can see if you will type this, that is Bing Commerce. Okay, just check the spelling. Okay, Bing Commerce, click on the apply button. So you will notice you will going to get extra discount here. Okay, so you can see, just put all your details like first name, last name, and every of the details, and then you guys are good to go. Okay, so you can see, my friends, I have chosen this my first name, last name, and rest it's not compulsory, you can see optional. So phone number is not necessary to put, city is not necessary to put. Okay, all these details are not necessary to put. And after you do this, just select your payment option according to your country. So I will go with UPI in my case. Okay, and just click on submit secure payment. Okay, and you can see that after you will make payment, this is how the look will going to look like. Okay, and you can just click on escape. I don't want the personalized experience. And here you can see if you already have a website, you can select this option if you want to create new website. But now let's click on skip create an empty website. And if you have a domain, okay, if you have a free domain, so you will see the option claim a free domain option. So just select that and select your domain. But let's say we already have one domain name. So in my case, I will just go to my website where I have purchased the domain name. So in my case, I have purchased it from Namecheap. So I will just go to the domain list, and here I have just purchased this particular domain name, that is courses.in. So I will simply use this domain name. Okay, so I will just click on manage button from here. Okay, so this is my domain name, so I will just simply copy this just for an example, and I will say use an existing domain. So I will select that. I will right click and paste my domain name which I have purchased it from some other website. In my case, I have purchased it from Namecheap. You may even have purchased from GoDaddy. So idea is somehow that simple. So whatever domain name you have purchased from, let's say on Namecheap or maybe on GoDaddy, and if you want to connect with your web hosting company, in our case that is Hostinger, so simply just go to the Namecheap or a GoDaddy and paste the domain name you have purchased and click on the continue button, right? Awesome. Now my friends, what you need to do is very simple. See, if you will just see here, we have basically domain name and web hosting. So now web hosting is giving you two name servers, name server 1 and name server 2, which you can see here. You can see required name server 1, name server 2. Simple and easy, right? So what we need to do is that we need to paste this name server to the domain name so that we can connect our domain name with web hosting. Okay, so it's very simple. So now just go to your domain provider, in our case that is Namecheap. Okay, so here we have our domain. So here you will see this name server option. From here select to custom DNS. So here you have to paste your name server 1 and 2. Okay, so now again just go to your web hosting, and from here just select this name server, right click and copy this. Just go to your name server provider, right click and paste it. So we have pasted one name server. Similarly, just go here, select this second name server, right click and copy it. Make sure you don't leave any space in front and last. Okay, just go here, right click and paste it. Awesome. And then you will see this option tick mark button of a save. Here you can see, so just click on that option, so the settings will be saved, and then you will basically going to connect your domain name with your web hosting. So idea is somehow that simple. Okay, so it may take few seconds to connect your domain name with the web hosting, but you guys do not have to worry. You can see now DNS servers update may take 48 hours maximum. Okay, so maximum to connect your domain name and web hosting, it may take 48 hours. So do not worry, that's natural and okay. And after you will do this, you just need to click on the continue button. Okay, and then from here you can just choose your server location. So I will going to suggest you guys to select that location which you feel is very much close to your audience. So maybe your majority of customers are, let's say from, let's say United States, so you can choose North America. So whatever location is close to your audience. In my case, I am from India and my audience is also from India, so I will select to USA India. Then let's cancel it, by the way. Okay, so I will just click on this finish setup button, and then it will take few seconds. You can see it will take few seconds, so just wait for it to complete 100%. Okay, now you will see, my friends, that after it will be 100% done, you just have to click on this manage site option. Okay, and after you will going to click on this manage site option, this is how the interface will going to look like. Okay, like this you can see. So if you again want to visit to this edge panel, so or I can say hostinger panel, so you just have to type this, that is edge panel dot hostinger.com. okay, just type this, everything in small, click on enter button, and again you guys will going to redirect it to the same area of your hostinger panel. Okay, and you can see we have sent a verification email, so you can just open your mailbox. In my case, you can see this is the payment successful, okay, for the web hosting, and here you will see one option to verify your email address. So I will simply click on this verify email option. Okay, and click on that button, and then you can be able to verify your account. Let's cancel it, and you can see you have verified your account. And make sure you have to type hpanel.hostinger.com to visit your web hosting panel. Okay, and you can see we have successfully set up our web hosting, and now we can easily create the website. Okay, so that's it, and this is how we have told you what is the concept of web hosting and how you can set up web hosting. Okay, we will going to teach you the concept of WordPress. Now what is WordPress? So my friends, WordPress is CMS. That means CMS full form is content management system. So my friends, it's very simple. So using WordPress, in short we say WP. Okay, so WordPress short form is WP. So using WordPress, my friends, you can just build, let's say, website, you can build some apps. Okay, and there are many things which you guys can do with WordPress. So it's just a amazing thing. Okay, you can just customize each and everything without doing any coding, right? So for example, if you just go to our website again, that is Cuckoo Courses. Let me just open this website, Cuckoo Courses. Click on enter button, just go to the home page of our website. Awesome. And from here, my friends, you will see this tab, courses one, right? So just go ahead in this courses tab, and here you will see, or you can just search WordPress. Click on enter button. Okay, let me just search for WordPress. Okay, so here, or if you will not going to see, let me just refresh it again. So because of some problem, I guess. Okay, let me just search for WordPress again. Now awesome. So here you can see, my friends, using WordPress you can just do a lot of things. You can see you can just set a website, you can build your own ChatGPT with WordPress. Okay, you can build or do web designing with WordPress. You can create job search portal website with WordPress. You can start your money making blogging website with ChatGPT and WordPress. You can start or create a fitness related website like gymming, fitness and yoga type of website with WordPress. You can create pharma e-commerce website, right? So you can see with WordPress you can basically do a lot of things. Okay, and next you can see, like, you can just basically you can create your own affiliate system with WordPress. You can start your agency website with WordPress. You can make Facebook like website with WordPress as well, right? You can create branding and blogging website with WordPress. You can create affiliate website with WordPress. You can create drop shipping website with WordPress, right? So you can see the power of WordPress. Okay, so the list is limitless. There are lots of things, like you can build your e-commerce website with WordPress like Amazon, Flipkart, etc, etc. You can create your online course website with WordPress, right? So my friends, the thing is that you can just do a lot of things with WordPress. Now how you can get WordPress? See, WordPress you need to install inside web hosting and you have already purchased the web hosting, right? So we will going to teach you just with one click. Okay, in a single click you can just install WordPress inside your web hosting, and then you can just do plenty of things you want. Okay, so that is the WordPress, right? So in theory it's just a basic thing, but when we will going to show you practical, okay, like for example we have set up the web hosting, so how we will going to install the WordPress inside this web hosting, we will going to teach you that as well. Now before I just want to tell you, you can see we in our website we have lot many courses. Okay, so what you can do if you want to access all these courses, so we provide these courses in the form of membership. You can just click on this sign up button. You can set your username, email, first name, last name, and set password. You can choose a lifetime. In lifetime we always in majority of case we use this discount code. Let me see. Okay, so you can use this discount code to get access to the membership, and using our membership, my friends, after you will take our membership, so you can basically access all the courses. You can see latest technology courses like AI, artificial build and sell APIs, right? Mid Journey masterclass, Google Bath masterclass. You can just set up your own email marketing system. So we have lot many courses with Apple, Google courses, paid advertising courses, digital marketing courses, affiliate marketing courses, make money courses, development courses. The list is limitless, right? So just sign up, just set up your account. You can also put the discount code, select I'm not a robot, register and make payment. So this is how it will go. But maybe you face some problem, maybe you are unable to pay because some countries do not allow PayPal. We use PayPal payment gateway, so countries like India, Pakistan doesn't have PayPal. So in that case you can pay us manually as well. Okay, so if you're watching from any country and if you want to purchase our membership, and if you think that you are unable to pay here, so you can just pay us manually. You can just click on this support button. Awesome. And from here you guys will see option unable to make payment. Click on this click here button, and then you will see the option to pay the manually. Okay, so you can see, if especially if you're from India, so you can pay with the method 2. You can just buy yearly plan, or let's say lifetime plan. Yearly plan in Indian currency will be this much. Okay, you can just put and make payment. Okay, and similarly we have lifetime plan. Here also you can use this 50 discount code to get offer half the price. Okay, and similarly with the method 1 as well, it's basically for all countries. So you can also go with the yearly plan, or let's say lifetime plan. So you can say yearly plan will be, let's say $20 per year, right? And the lifetime plan will be, of course, this much of dollars. You can just use 50 discount and you can make payment. You can see. Okay, so that is what I want to tell you. But in basics you have understood the WordPress, and if you want to know how you can create different types of website with WordPress, so you can of course go to our website and check out the courses. Also we will going to attach the link of all the courses in the below lesson. At very down in the bonus lesson you will see all the courses links are attached. But that's all about the WordPress. Okay, if you want to set up WordPress inside your web hosting, so my friends, as I have told you, okay, if you are watching, so you all know that we have just configured the domain name and web hosting together, right? And now here you can just go to hpanel. I have taught you how you can just go to hpanel.hostinger.com. just go to websites. Okay, and here you will see the option to manage. So in the same way you have to come here, and inside here you can just manage each and everything. So if you will click here, so this is how the interface of your domain name should look like. That means we have successfully connected our hosting, that is Hostinger, and our domain name from the name gym together successfully, right? So sometimes it may take max to max 24 hours to show you this or such type of interface. right? So it's my recommendation, when you connect your web hosting and domain, so at least wait for 24 hours before you install the WordPress. Okay. Then after you do this, so now to install WordPress, you just have to go to this option of website, and then you will see this option called as auto installer. Okay, so just click on this option. Awesome. And you can see here, in just one click you can install the WordPress. So just select this WordPress option, click on the select button. Awesome. Now you can just set your website name. Let's say I will just name it as a Cuckoo Courses. Awesome. And username, I will recommend you guys to only use the same username and same email. And the password, you can just set whatever password you want. Okay. So you can use, let's say, Cuckoo Courses password generator. Okay, you can just search for this Cuckoo Courses password generator, and you can just click on this link. Awesome. Let's wait, and you can just click on this link, secure password generator. So it will basically going to generate a strong password for you. Okay, so you just have to write how much the length of the password you want. Let me just say 8 uppercase and all. Okay, if you want to include numbers in your password, so you can. Otherwise, just click on the generate password. It will generate a password for you. You can just save this password. In your case, whatever password you will going to get, you can just save this password. Okay, like this basically. So it's saying you have to include one number and one symbol as well. Okay, so no problem. So what we can do here, okay, we have just, okay, let me just go with the 12 numbers. Okay, just generate the password here. Okay, awesome. Now let me just go ahead. Okay, so everything is okay now. So you can just set your password. Okay, or if you want to keep your password you want, okay, so you can also do that. Now let's click on the next button. In advance, you basically don't have to do anything. Okay, so here, okay, let's leave right now. You don't need to do anything. Just click on this next button. You can just save your password if you want, right? And after you guys do this, you just have to click on the install button. By the way, from here you don't have to do anything. From here you can select the language of your WordPress, but in our case it will be English. Then just click on the install button, and you will going to notice the WordPress will successfully be able to install inside our web hosting, as we have told you, right? So just wait for the few seconds and you guys are good to go. Okay, awesome. So you can see that we have successfully installed the WordPress. And if you will click on this admin panel, just click on this admin panel. So it will take you guys to the WordPress dashboard of yours. Okay, so just wait for a few seconds, and here you can see that we are inside the WordPress. Now using this WordPress, you can just create or do whatever you want to do. Okay, and there are few things which I want you guys, okay, before you just go ahead and do anything. First of all, just go to plugins, or sorry, settings, and from here just go to general. And from here, always remember that you should tick mark this anyone can register, and select your time zone if you want. In my case, in India, I live in India, so my time zone will be this much. If you don't know anything, you can just leave it, but make sure that it should be tick mark, that is anyone can register. Okay, that is very much important. Then just click on save changes button. And second is the permalinks. Just click on this option of a permalinks, and from here, my friends, you always have to make sure that whatever option, in your case it may be in this option, or in my case this is in this option, but make sure you always select to post name. That is very much important. Okay, and after you will do this, just scroll down and click on the save changes button. So this option, the two options which I have told you, that is just to go to general and make sure just tick mark this anyone can register and save it. And second, the most important setting is the post name. Okay, in permanence you have to select the post name and then click on save changes. Rest everything is good to go. And now let's clean our WordPress website. So you can just go to plugins, click on installed plugins by the way, and right now you can see only one plugin is here. You can of course tick mark it, and from the bulk action you can just deactivate it. We do not want it. Click on apply, and let's delete it. Again select this and click on delete option, apply it and delete it. Awesome. Now just go to your dashboard, and now you can see this is the WordPress dashboard of yours. Okay, and if you do not want all this thing, if you want to make your WordPress website clean, neat and clean, just cross it, just go click on the screen options you can see at top and untick all of them. We do not require all these things. Okay, and now our website or a WordPress website is almost ready. Our WordPress CRM is almost ready. Now you can use this CRM to do whatever you want to do. Okay, so in this way we have set up WordPress inside web hosting. Okay, and one more thing which I just want to tell you now, my friends, it's not always necessary to always just go to your edge panel like this, edgepanel.hostinger.com, and then from here you can access your WordPress website. What you can do in the very simple way, you can just type the domain name you have purchased. So in my case I have purchased this one, kukucourses.in, right? Now you have to add slash, then you have to write wp-admin. Okay, so when you will write this, okay, you can see when you will write this, let me just open this in the private window. So if I will open this in the private window, it will take you here. Okay, so here you have to put the email name and the password you have, right? So in my case my email address is whatever you have set, right? In my case I have set this email address. Okay, and the password, in my case I have this password, I guess. But whatever password you have set and email address you have set, remember in the previous step, so you just have to put that, and when you will click on login, it will take you to your WordPress website like this. So if you again want to ever visit your WordPress website dashboard, just type your domain name. Okay, in my case this is my domain name, and then just add /wp-admin like this. Awesome, right? And then click on enter button. Okay, it will take you to your WordPress dashboard because we have already logged in, but it will redirect you to put your email address and password, and on that basis you can again log into your website, right? So it's simple and easy to again go to your WordPress website dashboard. Okay, so now guys, you can see that we have finally got the WordPress website here. Now we just need to install the themes. Okay, so just go to appearance, you will see this appearance option, click on themes. Okay, so basically themes are in a very simple language if you don't know about WordPress. So themes are basically the look of your website. If you will just hover here, and if you will just visit site, right click and open this in a new tab, so you can see the look of your website is looking something like this. Now if you will just going to change it to, let's say, activate option, and now if you will just going to refresh it, so see the look of your website has changed, right? So you can just choose any theme, but let's click on add new theme by the way, and we will going to add one theme, that is Astra. If you will not going to see here, you can just simply search for Astra here. You can just see the spelling of it, Astra, right? Now let me just click on the install option. and let's wait for it to get installed. So basically, using this theme, you can just choose anyone, and in future we may have to change the theme if our tool is not so much responsive with that. So just click on this activate button, and now you will going to see a new theme is installed and it's activated. You can see that is Astra theme here. Okay, it's showing active Astra, right? Now if you will see all this stuff, so you will see this cross option here, just cross it, and that's it. Okay, now we are good to go. Now you can just simply click on this dashboard button, because we have basically installed the theme which we want. And of course you guys can refresh it if you want. Okay, so you can see after adding Astra, the look of our website has changed again. Now just click on this dashboard button and we are good to go. Okay, so now let's see how we can basically install the very important plugin. Okay, so just go to plugins, click on install plugins. So the basic concept of plugins is to add features. Okay, is to add features. Now I will just click on add new plugin from here. Okay, now we need one plugin, that is WP Coder. Okay, that will going to help us to build tools with ChatGPT and WordPress. Just click on WP Coder. Okay, so you can just see the spelling of it, WP Coder, and you will see this particular plugin. Click on install now. Okay, and let's wait. Okay, click on this activate button. Awesome. So you can see that we have got this plugin. So here if you will see here, you will going to get this option. If you will not going to see this, just refresh it, and then you will see this WP Coder option. Click on all codes from here, and now from here we can add tools or script which ChatGPT will going to generate for us. Okay, so simply click on this add new. You can just write the tool name, and then here we have to paste the HTML, here we have to paste the CSS, and here we have to put the JavaScript code. Okay, so don't worry, ChatGPT will going to help us to generate this code for us. Okay, so you guys do not have to worry about anything. Okay, but now as we have successfully installed this plugin, so in simple, let me just teach you guys what is HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Okay, suppose my friends, you guys are getting a car. Okay, you guys remember car, so let's take any car. Let's say we have this car. Okay, or let's say, okay, so suppose we have this car. Okay, so you can see the design or basic structure of these cars. A car is basically created, you can say, with HTML. Okay, so car structure. Okay, car structure we can do with basically HTML. Okay, so structure, that means how the structure is. Like from here it has given curve, and from here you can see this is how the structure of the car will going to look like. So this is the structure which in this case of course we are creating tools. Okay, so in the case of tools, so how the tool structure will be, we can create that using HTML. Okay, in a very simple in a very simple language. Okay, and if we just talk about CSS, so in car example you can say it as a look. Okay, or I can say color, all these things, design, looks. Okay, this all is possible with the help of CSS. So basically if we just take you with this example, so you can see color is yellow. Okay, tire rims are in black color. So this is possible in our case is using CSS. Okay, so CSS help us to design how our tools. Basically in this example we will going to create tools. Okay, so CSS help us to help us basically to how we can basically design or design the look of our tool. And of course JavaScript, if we just talk about JavaScript, so in the case of car, you can say it is like a you know, motor, or I can say engine. Okay, so you can see this car runs with the engine. Okay, using engine. So engine basically add life, or I can say function, to this car. Okay, so engine basically gives life or function to this car. So similarly when we will going to create tools, okay, so to give tools life or function, basically how the tool will going to work, that is possible with the help of JavaScript code. Okay, so of course these are the thing. I guess you guys understood the concept of HTML, CSS, and what is JavaScript. Okay, so don't worry, ChatGPT will going to generate us that code. We just have to paste the HTML and CSS code here and JavaScript code here. Okay, we will going to teach you of course in practical how you can do that, but hope you guys have understood how this plugin work. Now just simply go to dashboard. Okay, and we will going to teach you practically as well. Okay, so let's see how we can program ChatGPT. So my friends, here in the place of this prompt, you guys have, you can write you are expert in, you know, generating HTML, CSS, and JavaScript codes. Okay, for generating online tools. Okay, now your job is to help me generate HTML, CSS, and JavaScript code that will JavaScript code separately that will help me to generate code so that I can paste that code in my WordPress website to build tools. So have you understood the job? Reply in yes or no, question mark. So of course if you want to check some grammatics error, so you can basically do. Okay, but in simple my friends, you just need to write this type of prompt to ChatGPT. Okay, so this is a very simple prompt. So here you just have to write whatever I have said here. So basically if you will understand the basic English, so I just told ChatGPT that your task is to generate HTML, CSS, and JavaScript codes. That's it. Okay, and we haven't told it anything. And then after you will going to do this, just click on this send message button. Now you can see yes, it has understood the request which you have told. Okay, so now just tell to ChatGPT what tool you want to create. Okay, so you can see we have various online tools, or I can say let's say calculator tool. let's take in this case example of a calculator tool. So you can see online calculator tool, okay, or I can say percentage tool. So there are plenty of tools which you can create, okay. You can even create, let's say, age calculator tool, okay, like this, somehow simple and easy, okay. So let's see how we can do that. So you can say again to ChatGPT, okay, but here in this particular case you guys have understood how we can basically program by giving this prompt to ChatGPT, so that it will, so ChatGPT will going to understand what your actual job is, okay. So now let's generate the code, okay. So for that you can just say generate me HTML, CSS, JavaScript code for age calculator tool, okay. Make sure to add all free features only without using any API or any paid API or external services, okay. The tool should be responsive in all devices, such as in all devices including mobile, tablet and desktop. Awesome, right? Now generate code for me, okay. So my friends, always remember that you just have to write this statement, okay, which I have written, okay. So everything will be same in this case, okay, like I have written here, okay. Only the change you have to make is on here, okay. So whatever tool you are creating, just name it like you want to create, let's say age calculator tool, or let's say CAGR calculator tool. So just replace the name of the calculator you want to generate and write the same prompt, okay. Write everything same except this one, okay. So in our case now it's the age calculator. Awesome. After you will going to do this, you just need to click on this send message button, right, and you will going to see the ChatGPT is generating code for us. You can see in a very simple and in the very easy way, and make sure that it always gives you this thing. These codes creates a simple calculator tool with an input field of a date, calculate age button, and the result display. It uses HTML, CSS to perform the age calculation when the button is clicked. The CSS ensures the tool is responsive. You can just copy and paste snippet into a separate files, okay. Awesome. Now before you have pasted the tool, what you can do is that you can just go ahead and search for CodePen, okay. So just search for this CodePen, click on this link, first link by the way. This will going to open something like this, and from here you just need to see click on this start coding option, okay. Just click on that and then it will going to open the panel, and now you just need to see whatever code it has been generated, that means ChatGPT has generated, how it will going to look. So simply you will see the HTML code here, HTML. So here you will see this copy code option, okay. In every code you will see this copy code. So just simply copy this like this. So you can see now it's showing copied, okay. like this, and just go here to this code pen tool and just right click and click on paste. Awesome, right? Now you will see this tool will going to structure your tool. Okay, this is how the structure of the tool is. Now, as I have told you, HTML helps to build the structure. Okay, now let's add some design. So you can see, you can just scroll down and you will see that using CSS we can add style, okay, to the tool. So again, just copy the code. You can see this code is for CSS. Okay, so make sure you correctly copy all the relevant code. So now we are copying the CSS code. So just click on this copy code and you will see code is copied. Okay, now just go to this tool and now just click on this CSS option, right click and paste it. Wait for a few seconds and you can see it has given some small basic design to your tool. Now let's add the function. Okay, so to add function, as I have told you, function is added through JavaScript, which is here. So now just click on this copy code option. Now just go to code pen here, right click and paste it. And now you will see, just wait for a few seconds and you can see it refreshed. Now you can just put your age. So in my case it's year is, I guess, okay, my year is 2001. Okay, Feb and 2023. Okay, click on calculate age and you can see your age is approximately 22 years. So in this way you can see you have created a tool, okay, for free using ChatGPT. So that's the code we have generated, and now we can see in the code pen that this is how the tool will going to look like after we will going to integrate it with a WordPress website. Okay, so this is how the tool will going to look like. So we have successfully generated the tool or code using ChatGPT. Now our the only thing left is to integrate these tools to the WordPress website, which I will going to teach you right now. Okay, so now guys, you can see now it's time for us that whatever code has been generated by ChatGPT, now we can see that it's working fine on the code pen. Now our tool is 100% functional. Now let's integrate this tool with our WordPress website. Okay, so basically to do this, what I will going to suggest is that you just need to open two tab. Okay, so what you can do is that first of all just click on this all post, click on all posts, right click and open this in a new tab. Okay, like this. So one new post is here, you can just simply click on trash. Awesome. Okay, now you can just refresh. Now you will see there will be no post. Now the second thing is that just open WP coder, right click on all codes and click on open this in a new tab. So now you can see the three tab which we need is the ChatGPT, of course, which has generated the code, and in the second case we have to add the post. Okay, and in third tab we have opened the WP coder. Okay, so ChatGPT in first tab, in second tab you have to go with the post, and in the third tab you have to open the WP coder. Okay, so now just go to WP. Okay, first of all just go to post, click on add new post. Awesome. Now you can say age, calculator, tool. Awesome. Just go here and just click on this plus button, and here you can just search for shortcode. Awesome. So now here we have to just paste the shortcode. Okay, now how we will going to get shortcode? We will going to get that using WP coder. But before we get the shortcode, you can just simply click on add new one, and here also you can say age, calculator tool. Now here you have to paste all your HTML, then the CSS, and then the JavaScript code. Now you just have to copy the code from of course from ChatGPT HTML code. Just copy this code here, just go to WP Coder, right click and paste it. Now just go to CSS tab, make sure you just copy the correct one. Okay, that means HTML inside HTML, CSS code, which is this one. So I will correctly going to paste that under the CSS code, right click and paste it. Now just click on the JavaScript. Now just go scroll up, here is the JavaScript code, copy that, paste that, right click and paste it here. Now everything is done. So make sure that first write the name, second is that just copy the code, HTML, CSS and JavaScript code from ChatGPT and paste them to the relevant tab. Okay, HTML code to HTML code, paste CSS code under CSS code, paste JavaScript code under JavaScript code. Now click on this save changes button, and after you will click on save changes, you will see a shortcode will be generated. You can just simply copy this shortcode, right click and copy that, and this is the shortcode. You remember we have to paste that in the post tab, so just right click and paste it. Awesome. Now just click on publish, click on publish. Now you will see this option of a view post, so just right click and then just open this in a new tab, and you will see your age calculator tool has successfully integrated to your WordPress website. Now same function, let's say I will going to, let's say okay, let's say you are born in 2013, let's say in April, let's say on 11th. Now click on calculate age. Now you will see it will going to calculate the age for you. Awesome. So you can see in a very simple way we have just integrated the ChatGPT code into our WordPress website, and we have successfully built the tool. Awesome, right? So now you can see we have got this tool here. Now in case, my friends, if you want to make some changes, okay, for example, right now we can see everything is perfect. That means here you can see our tool is 100% successfully integrated. Now let's say if you want to make some changes in the tool, okay, so how you can do that? You can just say to ChatGPT as well, okay, like for example, I do not want, let's say, this age calculator title, okay, so I can just say right click and copy that, just for an example, and I can say hey, can you remove, in quotes you can say, so that you can highlight, age calculator title from the tool and regenerate the code again. Okay, so here is the changes you are making. Now click on enter button. Now ChatGPT will going to do everything for you. Okay, so now you can see it is saying certainly here we have modified the code and the age calculator title is removed. Now just copy this age calculator title, just go here, and you can see we have to put this code, new code in the HTML. Okay, so I will simply select this HTML code, I will delete it. Okay, so I am deleting the HTML code. Now I will paste the new code which ChatGPT has generated, and this code will going to help us to remove the title. Okay, so now you can see the title has been removed. Now same you can just put in the HTML and replace the new code and save changes, and then your age calculator tool title will be removed. So similarly, if you want to make some changes, okay, or there can be possibility that the tool maybe collapse with your title, or maybe it becomes very narrow, very small. So whatever your requirement will be, just tell to ChatGPT, hey, like you have generated this code and let's say I am facing this problem my title is not showing, etc, etc. It may even happen that your tool may be not working. So you can say, hey, the tool which you have provided me is not working. Okay, I'm trying to make it work, but it is not working. So can you again generate the code so the tool will going to work? So similarly you can play with ChatGPT, okay, and it will help you to generate the code. Even you can ask and say, thanks for the tool. Now can you suggest more similar free tools I can create? Okay, and click on enter button, and you will going to see basically there are various tools. You can see you can just create for free. Like if you are a person who has health related website, so you can create BMI calculator, and the list will go on. So for every of your question you have ChatGPT. So let's say now if you want BMI calculator, so remember, just again open the new chat, right click and copy this. Okay, now again just open new chat in ChatGPT like this. Okay, and same thing you can do, and instead of this, okay, instead of you have to put first of all this one in new chat, and instead of this age calculator you have to put BMI calculator, and then it will going to generate code for your BMI calculator. That's it, and it's super simple, and I have taught you how you can integrate this code with your WordPress website. Okay, so now guys, if you want to take or do online tools business, so we have one thing to tell you. Okay, so you can just search for Kuku courses, okay, and just go to our website, that is Kuku courses website. And after you will go to the Kuku courses website, my friends, you guys need to click on the courses option at top. You can see here, okay, courses option, and after you will click on that, you will see we have this course, that is build online tools website with ChatGPT for passive income, total 5 hours course, right? So of course you guys can view this course. If you will not going to see here, you can just simply search here tools and click on enter button, and then you guys will going to see this course here. Just click on this course and you will see the preview of this course. Okay, so just wait. Okay, and you can see the website we have created with the tools website, and inside this course only we have taught you how you can basically create tools as well, but in a more professional way, okay, in a more advanced way. So just play the preview. Hey guys, video, welcome to, and you can see this is the website we will going to create with tools, and we will going to share you various examples using ChatGPT free versions as well as paid version. So complete course. So basically if you are interested, so you can just grab this, okay, through our membership. Basically all the courses you are going to see here, including this course, and all the courses like build an artificial website, build and sell APIs. So all these amazing courses you will going to get through our membership. So just click on this sign up option. If you guys are interested, you can just set your username, email, first name, last name, and set your password. Choose your membership. I recommend you guys to go with a lifetime, because there are some articles and premium blogs that are only available to lifetime users. Okay, but it's totally up to you. But here you can just use 50 discount in the lifetime and just apply it. So you can just grab this offer for half the price and select I'm not a robot and just register yourself. Okay, and after you will going to do that, you can easily make payment, and then your membership will be activated immediately or within 24 hours. Okay, we will going to notify you. Okay, and one more thing I just want to tell you, for various countries like India, Pakistan, Pakistan. If you have problem paying directly from our website, or any country, if you face some problem here directly to pay here, so what you can do, you can just manually pay us. Just go to support, click on this support option, and from the support option just scroll here, unable to make payment, and you will see this option. Click here, okay, and then even you can just pay us manually. So if you are especially from India, so you can see we have method for you. So basically you can just grab the yearly plan, or you can just buy the lifetime plan. You can see in Indian currency it's 1600 as per Indian country, okay, and lifetime is approx this much. Here also you can use 50 discount, just apply it, and you can see you will going to get at half the price. And for some other countries like Pakistan and all, if you face directly problem to pay from here, so in that case you can just go with the method one as well. You can just buy yearly as well or lifetime as well from here, okay. Make the payment. You can see $20 per year, and here we have a lifetime deal. Here also you can use 50 discount by the way, and apply it, and you will going to get at half the price, okay. So make sure your membership will be activated with immediately or within 24 hours, and we will going to notify you that, okay. But after you will basically going to get your membership, so or your membership will going to get activated. So of course you can just log in, okay, like I'm doing. I'm just logging to my website. I already have the membership. Click on sign in option. So after your membership will be activated, just sign into the website, and from the from the profile you can just see your membership by the way, okay. So in my case it's lifetime, okay, and just click on this courses option by the way, and you will see right now in your dashboard enroll courses. You may see no course, but the thing is that after your membership will be activated, you just need to click on enroll now, so that will be added to your enroll courses option, okay. So or now basically the thing is that you have got all the courses. You just need to click on this enroll now option, or let me just click on this here. Let's say here, click on enroll now, and click on start learning, and you can just start to watch the course from starting to end, okay. So the thing is that after your membership will be activated, whatever course you want to access for lifetime, you can just simply click on that. For example, click on, let's say, Google Bath course you want. So just click on enroll now, click on start learning, and you will notice that under your dashboard enroll courses, that course will be added, okay. So in this way basically enroll courses is a basket, whatever course you want to filter out, because here you can see we have lot many courses, okay. So whatever courses you want to add to your basket as a primary concern, you can just put that here in the enroll course, okay, instead of. So that's why we have not included all the courses here only, because people will face, hey, where I can find my enroll course. So that's why we have set the feature that after your membership will be activated, you can just go to courses, and whatever courses you like, you can just add that to your enroll courses, and you will see that courses here, okay. And from here of course you can watch it. But in simple, all the courses has been activated for you for lifetime. You just need to add that to enroll courses, that's it. So this is what I want to tell you, okay. So if you will just click on start learning, so you will see a lot of things has been told here, like we will teach you how you can set up, install amazing plugins and theme, how to create pages, how to build tools in an advanced way using practical examples, okay, how to create menus and footer, how you can design it. We will also going to give you various tips and step-by-step strategy how to make money with it, okay. So whatever course you want to, you can just simply click on that, and that video will be loaded here, okay. And in case if you face any problem, just refresh it again and everything will be sorted out, okay. So in this way you guys can take the benefit of our website, okay.